and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. In today's vlog, it's a really chilled vlog. As a matter of fact, it starts and ends on this couch. I'll explain. Alright, so in this particular day, the boys had just gone to school, and I've just finished cleaning up the house and straightening it out after they had gone. And it was just a time to reflect on this particular day. For those who know, it was my birthday, and I usually just spend time to reflect and think about the past year. I'm usually in a very solemn mood on my birthday each year. It happens every single time. And on this particular couch, I just got another idea on a stream of income that I just thought of, and this is something that anyone can do. I will be sharing more details about it after Vlogmas. This is something that I'm still researching, and I'm just hopeful that it goes on to be a success. Anyone can do it. As a matter of fact, I think some people are already doing it. Anyway, on this particular day, I'd also gone ahead to marinate and season a bunch of fish and turkey that I had left over from the year. And it's just a way to clean up my freezer before the year is over so that I can get fresh stock. This one is salmon, and that's from our Costco purchase, and that's a couple of months ago. Anyway, this particular day I wanted to have some with Gary, and that was what I had. I already had some rice in the bowl earlier from my cleaning up, and yeah, that was what this particular day was. A really chill day, like I said, and it was just a time to reflect. Anyway, let's go ahead with today's vlog. Today's shout out goes to Bri Bri. This is an amazing sister of mine here on the space. I met her here as a subscriber, and this is someone I feel connected to in some way. She comments all the time, always leaves meaningful comments, and it doesn't go unnoticed. I really appreciate you, sis. Thank you so much for always coming back to respond and leave nice comments. Anyway, much later in the day, I was on a call with my sister, and I was just wrapping that up when my husband came back and got me some amazing gifts. I'm not going to share all of it, but one of them was my guilty pleasure, which is Ben and Jerry's. I absolutely love their chocolates, and he got me some flowers. You guys, I'm a mushy person, but this one got me emotional. I said, my boys, back off. This is mine. This is all mine. Anyway, going on with the vlog, we're making pasta. Well, I'm making pasta for the boys, and that was supposed to be dinner. They're having this with meat sauce and the turkey that I grilled earlier. So let's get on with our Bible study for today. We are looking at the book of Luke chapter 6, and in this particular chapter there are a couple of things to note. I will also ask that you put your suggestions or comments in the comment section, and let's carry on this conversation as well in the comment section. So first off, we see Jesus talk about the Sabbath, and our friends the Pharisees accused Jesus and his disciples of picking grain on the Sabbath day, and Jesus responds with, "It is written," which should always be our reference whenever we are responding or reacting to situations in our lives. God help us. And we see that in verse 1 to 5. Now from verse 6 to 11, we see Jesus in the synagogue healing on the Sabbath day, which further aggravates our friends the Pharisees, because we just told you that your disciples were picking grain on the Sabbath day. You are now healing on the Sabbath day. What's the problem, Jesus Christ? But then Jesus exposes their hardened hearts, by asking whether it was lawful to do good or harm on Sabbath day. Or would you rather this man not have his healing on the Sabbath day because it's a Sabbath day? Anyway, moving on to verse 12 to 16, we see Jesus choose and complete his disciples, including brother Judas Iscariot. Now, we know what Judas is going to do later on, but it's a pivotal part to Jesus' ministry. Now from verse 17 to 19, we see Jesus minister to a great multitude. There are people from all over, from Judea, from Jerusalem, and there's much power flowing from Jesus, healing those who come to him. Now we see from verse 20 to 49, the Sermon on the Plain, where Jesus talks about blessings and cursing. He talks about loving your enemies. He talks about judging others. Talks about the tree and its fruit. And my favorite, he talks about the wise and the foolish builders, where those who hear Jesus's words and obey them are likened to a house built on a strong foundation, and those who hear the word and do not act on it are likened to a house built on sand. Which one are we? This is a time to examine and judge ourselves as individuals as the year rolls by, not just for the festivity of it, but just as a sober reflection of what we are and where we are in our Christian walk. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are with the reading for today. Dinner was absolutely delicious. The boys loved the turkey. I love turkey myself. It's one of my favorite meats. Anyway, later that night, I had a whole chicken that I needed to cook, and I saw something on Ginika's channel where she just put all our meat raw in the soup and cooked it. And I tell you guys for free that this soup slapped, because the chicken was put inside the stew raw. The onions, everything was just dumped into one pot, and I just went to chill with my ice cream and just enjoyed myself. Anyway, for the giveaway I talked about yesterday, to qualify for the giveaway, you have to be following Dossier on Instagram, and also let me know your favorite scent. So you have to go on their website, select your favorite fragrance, let me know what the name of the fragrance is in the comment section, as well as when you started following this Tola Lusi channel on YouTube. All right, that goes without saying that this giveaway is only for my UK subscribers. I'm really sorry, I know I mentioned this last year, but I honestly cannot send the products outside. Well, Dossier will be sending the products to you, but we can't send outside of the UK. So they have specifically asked for subscribers who are within the UK environment. So I'm sorry about that, but those are the 3 criteria for the giveaway. Like I said, this vlog starts and ends on this couch, and this couch was where I sat and had my ice cream until my soup was done and I went to bed. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 6. It has been an absolute pleasure spending this December with you guys. Thank you to those who reached out via Instagram and sent me personal DMs. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate you. I do not take all of your love and support for granted. Thank you so much to every single person who's going to leave a comment. Please give me your prayers in this year for the next year, and my prayers will also be with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 7.